Alright guys, so I've been dealing with teeth grinding at night, and it's been a real pain. My dentist suggested a night guard, but those custom ones can be pricey. So I decided to try out this DenTek Comfort Fit dental guard, and I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. First off, it's super affordable, especially since you get 2 in a pack. Plus, it comes with this little antimicrobial storage case, which is a nice touch. What I really like about this guard is that it's ready to wear right out of the box. No boiling, no molding, no fuss. It's designed for your lower teeth and has this slim, comfortable fit. I was a little skeptical at first, wondering if it would stay put, but it actually does a really good job. I've worn it a few nights now, and I haven't had any issues with it shifting around or falling out. The material is this soft, flexible plastic that feels pretty comfortable in my mouth. It's BPA and latex-free, which is definitely a plus. And get this, DenTek claims it'll give you 6 months of protection from the date of purchase. 6 months? That's pretty amazing for a non-custom guard. Of course, you'll need to keep your receipt for the warranty, but still, that's a pretty good deal. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Will this thing really protect my teeth as well as a custom-fit guard? Well, DenTek says it provides the same level of protection as a full coverage guard. And honestly, I've noticed a big difference. My jaw doesn't feel as sore in the mornings, and I haven't had any of those weird headaches I used to get from clenching my jaw all night. One thing I will say is that it takes a little getting used to. The first night, it felt a bit weird having something in my mouth, but after a couple of nights, I barely even noticed it was there. It's definitely less bulky than some of the other night guards I've seen, which is a big plus for me. I'm a side sleeper, and I haven't had any problems with it digging into my gums or anything like that. So, overall, I'm really happy with this DenTek Comfort Fit dental guard. It's affordable, comfortable, and it actually works. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution for teeth grinding, I definitely recommend giving this a try. It's a game changer, especially for the price. You get 2 guards in a case, so it's a great value. Seriously, if you're tired of waking up with a sore jaw, check this out. It might just save your teeth and your sanity. And like I said, that 6-month protection guarantee is pretty sweet. Just make sure you keep your proof of purchase. Alright, that's it for this one. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.